an amazing combination of apple pie and cinnamon roll. To start here, I'm just gonna fill my apples with caramelized apples, really simple, with butter and sugar. Just saute them with sugar and butter with a pinch of salt. To add a little bit more complexity to this recipe, I'm gonna add a little bit of whiskey. I just don't like flambe, so I'm gonna add pure whiskey here, but if you prefer, you can flambe your apple. For crunch, a little bit of pecan right there, and you're gonna cover them with the top of your apple. So this is gonna be our apple pie mix. This is my cinnamon roll, so before they rise, we are going to unroll them. So inside my cinnamon rolls is just cinnamon, butter, and sugar, regular stuff. And I'm gonna place some pre-cooked slice of apple. So for these apples, it's really simple. I just slice them with a mandolin and cook them in the microwave for about 5 minutes with a little bit of water and sugar. I'm gonna roll my entire apple around my cinnamon roll, and this is how you're gonna turn a regular cinnamon roll to an apple pie cinnamon roll. Really, really amazing. I don't know if you ever see that before, but this is a really must try. Once you have your big rolls, you're gonna cook them into pans, and before putting them in the oven, you're gonna let them rise for about an hour. And after an hour rising, you're gonna cook them for about 30 minutes at 350. And look at them, they are gold color, really tasty, really beautiful. And we're gonna cover them with regular stuff. So this is icing, just icing sugar and water. Gonna add a really crispy crust to our cinnamon roll and a bit of sweetness. This is gonna be amazing. Let's cut this stuff now. I'm gonna see if the apple is cooked inside. Oh, the sun is amazing. It's gonna be really, really good. And look at that. This is perfectly cooked. You have a really moist apple with apple caramelized inside with whiskey, a little bit of more icing because we love icing. We love the little crust on the top, some pecan if you like them to add a little crunch. And here you go. You have an apple pie cinnamon roll ready to try. It's really amazing, trust me.